Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So this episode is this cool amazing part right here, and basically what this is a shower filter head. And not only can you guys use this as a shower filter head, but they also have the option for you guys to change different modes on here. Like in terms of the spraying modes, there's actually 3 different spray modes on here, which are pretty awesome. If you guys can see, the one that we have right here is from this brand right here, Alpenforce. If you guys look at the back part right here, they tell you guys how to use the product and what to do before and after. So the top part right here, they mention how there's a jet mode, rainfall mode, a massage mode, and they tell you guys how to install the product right here. First thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what is actually included inside first before we actually set it up. Alright, so when you guys first open the product, this is basically what it looks like. Let's take it out. So when you guys first get the product, you can see it's all nicely wrapped. If we take out the wrapper right here, this is basically what the product looks like. So they do provide guys the little tape that you want to use to seal up the product if there's any leak. But this is basically what the overall product looks like. So all you guys need to do is to insert this onto your shower head, and then you guys can start using it. If you guys can see right here, this is basically where the liquid or the water will come out from. If you guys look over here, these are the 3 different spray modes. So they mention how there's a rainfall, there's a jet mode, there's also a massage mode as well. And definitely the really cool thing about this product is the fact that for this part right here and this part right here, if you guys want to twist it open to actually replace it, you can definitely do that as well. But this is basically what the overall product looks like. So definitely for the product, they mentioned how when you guys use the product, you guys are saving a lot of water. I believe they said around like 30%. But even when you guys are saving that much water, you guys are still getting the very nice pressure on here when you guys use the different mode. And they also mentioned the material that they use on here, it definitely will help you guys get a clean shower every time you guys use it. Because of the mineral balls that they have right here and the vitamin stone that they have right here. So that way you guys get a very nice filtering option to clean off the water. So you guys always have a clean shower to use. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go set this up to show you guys how to use it and see what actually works, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the product here. Let's install it and try it out. So you guys can basically use any kind of shower hose. They don't actually provide it for you guys, so you need to use your own. So let's turn it on. Alright, so you see the actual product itself, it definitely does work. It's definitely filtering the water right here. And change the different spraying mode right here on top. So if I press on the switch right here, you can see that changed the mode right there. So this is spray number 1, spray number 2, and spray number 3. If you can see, it definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys have a quick test of the product, and definitely see that actually does work and works quite well. One thing to kind of notice or remember is the fact that they don't actually provide you guys the shower hose. So you definitely need to use your own shower hose or some way to actually connect the bottom part of the shower head. I definitely love the different spray options like the jet, the waterfall, and also the massage mode as well. All of that actually feels really nice and actually looks pretty awesome as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we look at unboxing and testing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want more than need one of these. Especially if you guys are interested in these like filter shower heads, then it is pretty worth it. Only issue that I had, like I mentioned, is the fact that it doesn't provide you guys that shower hose extension cord. So that was kind of like a downer. But everything else about it actually works really, really well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't used one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.